We're gonna collect some cicadas right here. Empty box. It's gonna be filled. Let's go. All right, so we probably don't have to venture far for any cicadas. I feel like moral reasons we won't eat the females. This is a female. As you can see, there's a little like stripe thing. That's the metal syringe that injects the larvae. So.
Wait, so what's the one by the, you know how some of the males have like a...
I think that's like a sucker to like suck juice out of leaves or something. Marco, do you see any?
I'm looking.
It's another female. Unfortunate. Let's go to the honey locust. What I love about the cicadas is the noise that they make consistently. It's just so loud and like ear-piercing if you get under a huge population. Marco, have you ever gotten deafened by cicadas?
Yeah, especially when I'm at work and I get out of a customer's house, I go right by under their tree and dude, oh my god, it's just ridiculous.
No cicadas here. On to the next tree. I think this is fun. It's like I'm scavenging, you know. What, you see one?
There's one just chilling right there. It's a big one.
Where? Oh shit. Hold it. It's another female, but now we can take notice of the stripage that's going on. This is the one that makes that quang. It's okay, should we just eat it?
Yeah, it's big enough.
Okay. We don't want you to squirm.
No, it's a female. Let it go, bro. I feel bad.
Alright.
We gotta eat males.
Because the females are what lay the eggs for the next 17-year population.
Wait, so you can tell when it's a guy?
It'll make noise. But yeah, I can tell.
So only the guys make noise?
Yeah. Every day when I get like bombarded by them, I pick them up and examine them like a stupid scientist.
Hey, you can see where they all came out of the ground here.
Yes, right here. Oh, see? There's one high up there.
So what, the males are the loud vocal ones?
Yeah. Female. Oh my gosh, we're getting
skunked right now.
You know, if we were a male cicada, this would be a dream right now.
Hey, what's wrong with that one?
Well, let's see.
Hey, this one has black eyes.
Maybe it's dead.
This one's like either rare. No, it's actually a different.
It's dead, I'm sure, but it's.
No, I think it's like a different species.
Oh, but do you see the little stinger that's in it? So it was laying its eggs and then it died. So
It died in birth?
It died giving birth.
That's trash.
Stillbirth. This is unfortunate. I don't know how newly built this place was, but you can see all the holes. So I figure there's plenty of cicadas around.
All I want to say is, when I'm not looking for them, there's a pile of them trying to hit me in the face.
I know,
I'm looking
right?
for them, there's fucking none.
It's like that phenomenon, you know, where you're looking for something, you never see it.
Yeah.
But when you're trying to ignore it, it's just in your face.
Oh, right here, right here.
Oh, there you go. Now, you can see it doesn't have that little stinger thing, so it's a male. And then when you open it up, right there, the white thing in the middle is what makes the noise.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like what rattlesnakes have.
I figured.
So,
First victim.
first victim. I don't want it to fly away, so.
Oh, look, this guy wants to be eaten too. Unless it's a female. Oh, it's a guy. Look, our second victim just came up to us.
Oh, nice. It's the same species. But yeah, look.
Same species?
No, you can't fly away. Oh, another one. The same type though. Here, we'll all have the same species.
So this guy should go away then.
Yeah. Oh, no, keep them. No.
Dude, that's bogus. I feel, dude, you're a psycho. You're just ripping off their wings.
Well, I don't want them to fly away.
Maniac.
I like how they like squirm.
I wonder if they even feel pain.
There we go. Okay. Okay, good. I feel like
so bad to watch.
I feel like a psycho. Oh, this is cool.
What?
This one's just half dead. Or not half dead, but this like abdomen just fucking is gone. It's weird.
Is that one of the ones that has the fungus maybe? Or do you think it was eaten by something?
I think it was eaten. All the animals like to eat the abdomen. woods.
That's where all the goodies are.
Oh my god. You know those weirdos?
Yeah, you're a fucking psychopath, Tomas. We get it, you work in nature.
I hope we can find the one that makes that weird noise.
I think those are more rare. You got a bird eating one over there.
Yeah. If you can zoom in to the bird eating it. Let's look for one more maybe.
Okay.
You see, when they come out of the ground, they just immediately go to the first vertical thing, thinking it's a tree. So I'll either be on a
There's
tree,
one right there,
on a
literally.
fence. Must have a good old female, so you can fly away. Yeah, and these ones that make the weird noise, they're also like abnormally larger than the other types.
Yeah.
Like, you can see the size difference.
That's what they sound like. They're like,
I think these two just got done mating, because this is how they mate. This guy sticks it in there.
oh yeah, that's right. I've seen a couple of them doing it.
I've seen them do it on my shoulder.
And
Young love.
Okay, I don't know.
how long do cicadas even live for?
Oh, there's a lot of woods over there.
Oh, let's go by the woods. 3 weeks, I think. They pop out of the ground, they live for 3 weeks, mate, and then die. And you know, they rest for 17 years.
What's their purpose?
There's one flying right there. Oh, I hear a lot over here, but it's next to someone's house, so I don't want to.
Just slap a cicada on a hoagie roll.
You know, it's weird. I've never noticed a cicada. I think before this year, I've seen maybe 3 cicadas in my life. Yeah, they rot really quickly, so that's why I want to. Oh, you see them? Oh, look, Marco. They're doing their action.
Now they're coming.
You didn't have to do that, man. You want a giant opening your house and just lift me up while you're doing the do?
Okay, let's go to the woods and make our final effort.
Aren't the males more aggressive?
What do you mean by aggressive?
Like, not aggressive in the sense that they're gonna attack you, but I've seen people literally get like a single cicada just constantly slamming into their face like they want it to go away.
I've definitely felt that before.
People will walk around, especially old people with like tennis rackets, and bat them away.
Yeah, dude, my boss gives his kids a fucking wiffle ball bat and they just whack them out of the air. I'm like, okay, that's fucked up though.
Dude, yeah, I don't know. Do cicada lives matter?
Nah.
CML.
CLM?
Oh, CLM. What do you see?
I got these guys.
All right, so to be a little bit humane, we're going to put them in hibernation mode first. Marco, explain.
Well, it's like any other animal. You put them in the cold, they'll fall asleep. It'd be an easier way to take off their legs and fry them off.
Going in.
Put them in the freezer, yeah.
I'll put it next to this tin can. Be back in 30 minutes. So cicadas are frozen. They're not moving. So now it's time to devein them and season them. Marco, would you like to do this, or you want me to handle it?
I could do it, I don't care, as long as they're not fucking alive anymore.
You can do it. You can do one. So we're gonna rip off the legs.
These things got cold fast as hell. Oh, okay, his whole head just came off.
This is very interesting. Oh my god. Do you hear it?
He's alive still.
Oh god. Oh, yeah, the head ripped off. This is gonna get us demonetized. I think it feels a little bit more comfortable without the head to eat it.
Yeah, it does.
How's it still making noise though? That's the thing. Oh my god. Alright, now
They literally just look like beans now.
some salt.
Oh, what right now?
What?
How the fuck are you gonna put salt on them right now? Just a grain of salt. You know, while we're at it, might as well just put it inside of his. Oh, whatever. Look at this carnage.
Get the legs.
So what, you're gonna season them when they thaw out.
Oh,
When they're thawed, they're moist, and they'll actually hold.
okay. So I like how we have that giant riddle for these three.
Yeah, let's pan over to the size comparison between this and the pan.
Oh fuck.
All this for a little fucker.
Jesus.
That's so strange.
Weird.
Should we just microwave them?
You ever seen How to Eat Fried Worms? Yeah, you don't do that.
Just zap them real quick.
Bug guts all over the inside of your microwave.
Just
Just gonna throw this nasty shit away.
do you have a Pam or should we use olive oil?
I might.
Alright.
Cicadas are going on. What are you thinking right now, Thomas? Excited?
I'm very interested. I think if we got more this would be fun, but just cooking 3 individual ones.
A whole cicada boil. This is very interesting to watch.
I don't know what I'm thinking right now. I think like it's just overkill.
For real. There's 3 corpses in a pan.
3 corpses.
We're gonna have to let it cook for a minute. Like,
It's the 3 of us if we were cicadas.
yeah, for real.
One for each of us.
There's Thomas, Liam,
Are you
and Marco.
eating one?
Yeah, I'll eat one.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have caught one more because she said she was gonna eat one too.
Oh, we gotta go get one more. No.
Change your mind?
No?
Yeah, probably.
We'll have one. What is this, cayenne?
Yeah. Oh no, it's chili powder.